Alright YouTube, here's a look at the 100 series Land Cruiser right rear passenger door lock actuator assembly. There is a plastic cover here, but I broke that on purpose because because my door was stuck open, and that was completely due to me assembling this incorrectly. So, assuming you are looking at your, let's say everything is installed and you're looking at the door in the closed position. This is what you're gonna see if you don't have your interior door trim right there. So we'll have this T linkage assembly here, and we pivot about this point here. This rod is actually connected to your exterior door lock handle, and what happens with that is that pushes this assembly down like that, pivoting about that central point here. So this one controls this rod is connected to your exterior door assembly, and this cable here, this other cable right here, is connected to your interior door assembly. And actually, the way to open your door if you're stuck inside is, you see this hook shaped, let me see if I can get a better angle, this hook shaped piece here. Let's see, yeah, so this hook shaped piece here, if you can move that, that will unlock your door. So you should just barely be able to get access to this hook. If you are looking inside your car and you have your door cards removed. Now, the reason I'm showing you this now is because, I screwed up in my reassembly. Now, this plastic piece, let me try and pull focus here. This plastic piece is installed incorrectly. I believe it should actually be, see how this white piece can kind of rotate a little bit? This slot should be on this T bracket. So this T bracket, this slot should register in that T bracket. And that's the reason my door wasn't able to open from the inside or the outside. So I'm a little bit frustrated because I had to install it and uninstall it twice, but I'll do it the right way, and let's see if it works. Alright, this is as much zoom as you're going to get because I only have a 35mm lens. You're going to need a long nose pliers that's angled like that, or something similar. And what you're going to want to do is, that clamp that I was talking about, or not, that stamped piece of metal that I was talking about, you're going to want to stick your pliers over there and turn it towards the inside of the door, and that should unlock your door if it's stuck in the, locked position. Hopefully that helps. I learned the hard way. I thought this was going to be a quick job, but this is my first time doing this rear side, so you can learn from my mistakes. Alrighty, hope that clears things up.